to quickly talk to you about puzzles today. In our classroom at school we have a designated area for puzzles, and on our shelf there's lots of different kinds of puzzles that the children can come and complete throughout the day. Puzzles are fantastic and they have many benefits, such as it improves their concentration, promotes problem solving, provides an opportunity for shape recognition, sharpens their memory skills. If they choose to do a puzzle with a friend or a family member, it can enhance their social skills. It refines their motor skills like sorting the pieces and hand-eye coordination. It further develops their emotional skills like the perseverance to finish a puzzle, and then that nice feeling of satisfaction when they finally do it. Now, you might not have puzzles at home, but you can easily buy them from Kmart. They're quite cheap there, and even at an op shop they're really great to find really cheap puzzles. My tip there would be just to check that they're all there before you go. Also today I'm going to show you quickly how you can do your own puzzles at home just using old boxes like cereal boxes or biscuit boxes. So the instruction video is coming up next. See ya! To make your DIY puzzles you will need any cereal boxes or biscuit boxes that you may have used in your house. You'll need scissors, a marker pen and a Ziploc bag. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure both ends of your box are open. Then use your scissors to cut around the edge of one side. On the back of your piece of card, use your marker to draw some lines. These will become your puzzle pieces. Use your scissors to cut along these lines to form your puzzle pieces. You can now turn your pieces over and try and put your puzzle back together again. You can now store your puzzle pieces in a Ziploc bag ready for the next time. And there's your homemade puzzle.